Okay, I'm taking this piece that we cut off the other day from the to get the worm connector, and it's a heavy pipe. It's PVC Schedule 40. It's a connector, and what I need to do is match it up to this drain piece that I've got. We can probably see it better. It's a drain piece that's got the downspout that we're going to use for saving our water, rainwater. And this is a trick that I've learned here in Ecuador, that you just kind of heat this. Make sure you've got plenty of ventilation. I've got the window open here and the doors behind me open and everything. It does smell. So you're just going to heat this PVC a little bit until it gets a little bit soft, and then you just start forming this around. Sometimes you have to heat it up just a little more, but looks like I may have got it the first time. Nope. Got one little spot that's got to get heated up a little more, but it just goes round and round and round. When originally it just fit directly, so it was, I mean, it didn't go over this. So I need to just take this and heat it up a little bit, and then we just kind of roll it around. And you can see that PVC is really soft now, and when it's soft enough, you just kind of push it on up over here, get it around all the places, and you've got it expanded, and it should go on there, I think. Still not quite yet. I haven't quite got it to the, oh, there it is, I think. Yep, there we go. So now I've got this form fitted, and it's big enough to go over the pipe that it wouldn't have fit on before. So now we've got a downspout connector or adapter that we can go to a regular 2-inch pipe. How great is that? Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already.